Yo, what's up, my bros? It's time for me to indecently expose myself to you again. Sorry, I fucked up the introduction. I was supposed to say something like indecently expose my intelligence to you, but yeah, you get the point. Today's agenda, what I'm going to show you today, is some new AI agents I've built. I just built this in the last 20 minutes. I'm lying. It took me a little longer than that. But this is a Slack agent combined with Claude and combined with my own personal knowledge base. You thought Claude was already intelligent, but now it's even more intelligent because now it has access to my information. I'll tell you the use case of this. The use case of this first about the knowledge base is look, Claude is much better than ChatGPT when it comes to creating content and writing stuff. ChatGPT does sound a lot like ChatGPT. Claude is much better for that. But I have to give it so much information. Now I have all the information about my products, about my programs, my offers, whatever I have. I have that information in my knowledge base, and I can just ask Claude to give me something about that. So here's an example, X Typhoon. And the reason I'm using Slack is because my goal is to have a team. I want to have a team of AI agents that execute different tasks, different AI agents based on what I want them to do. Look, this is just like a test agent. So the purpose of this test agent is just to just whatever I say, it just says "What's up, gang." You could say this basically like the personality hire. Then there is the Claude agent, which uses Claude, and it's trained on my knowledge base. So I can say, "Give me a rough, persuasive description about my X Typhoon bot." We'll just wait for this. Let's see if the execution is happening over here. Yo, we're back. My internet fucked up there for a minute. But yeah, I don't mess up the demonstration a bit, but I'm not re-recording that again, man. But okay, let's see. Give me a rough persuasion. See, perfect. Perfect timing. Let me just see. Let me move myself over here. So we both can read it together. Based on the information retrieved, here's a persuasive. Is your powerful ally building genuine engaged following on Twitter. What makes it see perfect? It got this is a new board I'm launching. There's not much information about it on the internet. I literally created the website 2 weeks ago, I think. So there's no way Claude already has all this data by itself. The way it got it is from my knowledge base. Am I lagging? Am I lagging? The way it got it is from my knowledge base. So you can see over here the vector store tool. Retrieve data, X Typhoon, this, free trial available. See, so the query automatically queries that what is X Typhoon bot, what are the main features and benefits, and it gets it from the Superbase vector store page. X Typhoon, see for optimal safety. See, this is my landing page. This is the information I have on my knowledge base on my Obsidian drive. This is what it was. This was a rough demo. Maybe I'll make another video on how I did it. But you know what? I'll give you, if you stick till the end of the video, I'll give you a rough overview of how I did it so you can get ideas on how you can do it as well. I would love to sit here and teach you, but I'm a bit lazy like that. And I'm lagging already. I hope you can hear me, man. Anyway, yeah, I have to go to the gym, so I'll make this quick. But I hope you could see what's possible with this. So I'll tell you how it works. You have n8n. I have it self-hosted. It's on my own server, which is a bit complex. But if you need any help, you can just text me. My Telegram will be somewhere below. But yeah, Slack trigger. It receives a Slack trigger wherever there's a message. It sees what channel it was received on. There's multiple channels, right? Over here you can see. So it's gonna see what channel. Based on that, it's gonna see got it from the Claude. It got the Claude channel. It received a message on the Claude channel. It's gonna execute the Claude workflow. It's gonna execute this workflow, which is linked to this one, and then it's gonna do all of this Anthropic chat model, vector store tool, then Superbase vector store. There's many videos on YouTube. You can see how to create RAG AI agent with Superbase vector database. So it's something like that. There's some really good YouTube videos. Shout out to this guy Cole Medlin. I hope I said his name right. Yeah, he makes amazing videos on this stuff. I saw that, and that's how I learned this. And also because I use a little bit of my own genius as well. Then yeah, post the message to Slack. It sends this message to Slack, and if it's not the Claude trigger, sorry, if it's not in the Claude channel, if it's in the other channel, which is the agent test channel. If it's the agent updates test channel, then it's just gonna send the message here like this. I say yo yo, just get the message, what's up gang. Because the thing is, you can only use one Slack trigger, right, at a time with one app. So I just have the one Slack trigger reading the entire workspace, and based on which channel it received the message on, it'll trigger that workflow. So this was just to test. Now I could have multiple. I could have one to write emails. I could have one channel to give me RSS feed based on the latest news in my field. I could have one to create emails, like an email sequence for my Twitter bot, my X Typhoon bot. This is the X Typhoon bot, by the way. A bit complex. You can get it from xtyphoon.zenikil.com. There's a free version, so you can start for free as well. No credit card. And now it can manage everything. It can manage customer support. So I can have one AI agent. My tattoo's looking nice over here. You can have one for customer support, so whenever someone sends a message to my Telegram bot, which is the customer support, it can execute this workflow, and then it can use this something, I don't know, man, but it can do stuff. It can give me notifications over here, and every day I can get a notification. Oh, here's a summary. Here's the reports. I can get everything in different channels and different AI agents. Now I don't need any employees. I can have 10 different employees, so 10 different roles, and they can all be congregated here on this Slack channel. And on n8n, I can have different workflows. Let me show you the workflows I have now. I can have different workflows, and they can all link back to the Slack workspace. Man, never mind. My computer is too slow. It's a 20. I'm using a 20. I'm using a 2012 Mac, so it's very slow. Also, check out the chair that I'm sitting on because my other chair broke. And because I went flat broke right after I came back from Bali in Thailand. To make money, you know what I threw parties to make money. I made some money, and I finally fixed my shoulder injury. I had to do physio. I didn't have any money for physio. So I threw the parties. I made money for my shoulder injury, just fixed it, and now I can start hitting the gym again. It's been 1 or 2 weeks back. But before that, I lost like 15 kilos, man, like 10, 15 kilos. Like not just in that month, but overall. Anyways, time to get back. Hope you enjoyed this. These are the AI agents that I have. Not just AI agents, but multiple agents as well. Pretty awesome. I could have another thing. I could have an error workflow. Let me just show you the settings. I have an error workflow, so I get a Telegram message whenever there's an error. So I can just trigger this error workflow. And whenever there's an error in either of these two, I will get a message on Telegram saying, oh yeah, there was an error in this workflow. Get your shit together, fix it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video more than what I showed you what's possible. I hope you enjoyed the company. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Goodbye. Zenikil out.